Okay, welcome back to Zaptec Industries, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zeki Zaptec, and this is today's project. So today we're out of the lab. We're making aluminum. Yeah, you heard the light. We are smelting aluminium. See that? That's the furnace going. Molten aluminum over there. So I'm making what do you call this? Jet engines. Okay, it's a new project. keep keep in touch. You see it in a few months or so. Now, I don't have the money to buy a lathe, so after then making my own lathe. So I'm making the parts of the lathe. So here we're gonna be making the chuck for the lathe. So I'm gonna. This is a model mold for the lathe. So I'm gonna try it out to see if the plan will work. Then I'll move to the main plan. That is going to be the lathe chuck official mold after that, but this is just an experiment. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Don't go because there is more. So I have just pulled out the aluminium. There it is, it's setting, so I'm gonna let that cool down for a while. And I think I've blown the fan. I was trying to grab this thing with these tweezers over there, and I kind of forgot that that's where the input terminal is, so shorted it, and then it stopped working, so I had to do an emergency pour out. But anyway, that's a decent amount of aluminium that we've extracted over there, and the fan is dead, but no big deal because I got another one right there. There's quite a decent amount of slag and other aluminum that hasn't melted down, but we can use that for another thing. The good part is that this one is already out. The fire is going. So that's the furnace. Actually, this is the kitchen, okay? I'll explain the working of this kitchen of ours. It's an old kitchen. We used to use it. Now we have more modern gas and electric cooker that's on that side of the house. So yeah, this is the outside kitchen, and I'm using it as my furnace. But that's all good. I'll be back when I pull this out and you'll see what we have. Okay, so we are back. The aluminium has already settled and it's looking good on the mold. I've seen some cracks on the mold. I don't know why. I think it's because of the heat, or maybe I must have put it hard, like dropped it on the table. Anyhow, I'm gonna pull this out now, take that out, and cool it. I'm gonna do a lapping cool, so like quenching it in this pot of water. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay. Oh, that's nice aluminium ingot over there. Get the pliers. Take this. Okay, well that was quick. That was quick. So that's good. Let me take off my glove and pick this out. Oh, the water is hot. Okay, yeah, I can feel the texture of there. And all and behold, that's the inlet, top side. That's great. That took the profile pretty good. I wasn't expecting that to be that malleable. So the thing about aluminium is that it's when it's molten, it doesn't flow too much that it gets into the teeny bitty cracks. and it's not thick enough that it doesn't mold at all, so it's just the right consistency to make a perfect mold. That's nice. So this is the mold. Man, that's beautiful. This is a second molding attempt that I've made, and it's looking pretty good. I'm happy for it. So I'm going to explain this more on the why I made this. Okay, let me set this. Okay, so you might be wondering too why I've made this thing, the aluminium. So I've been on a series of projects lately, so my next project is basically making a jet engine. So I need to make a jet engine, but I need to make the tools in order to help me make the jet engine, because I don't get the funds to buy the tools. So I got a one rule. It's either I buy it, or if I can buy it, I make it. So I don't have a drill, I don't have a lathe, I don't have an angle grinder, and welding machine, but some of those things I can find in the streets where people do those services, but I need to pay for the services. But anyways, yeah, I can do it. So I've already started making the lathe. So this is the electrical side. Okay, that side will be the mechanical side. Okay, there's a table over there. That's the table that I'm going to place all the lathing stuff. This camera okay? Yeah, you can see me, right? So that's where I'm going to place all the lathing stuff over there. I'm going to do the drill press on the other side, and the other sheet is going to come later. But this is just the beginning, so proof of concept and stuff. I'm making the chuck for the lathe, and I'm going to do it out of aluminium. I'm going to mold it. So I need this. There's a plan, but I'll show you the plan. Maybe I'll put the link in the description for the plans for the head of the chuck. I don't know what was that. But anyway, that's all for now. Please like and subscribe if you like the videos. It really helps with the channel. And also leave a comment also suggesting a theme for a future video, because I do shorts also. So I can do a theme for the shorts, and the continue mainstream project will go on in the main videos in the channel. So anyway, welcome to Zaptec Industries. I'm Ricky Zaptec, and I'll see you in the next video.